When is it time to repot? If your plant has overgrown its current planter, or your plant has been in the same pot for over a year, it's time for a new home. Here's what you'll need: watering can, pot, potting mix, and some paper. To make this easy, turn the plant sideways by the plastic grow pot and give it a squeeze. Now loosen the roots and remove about 1/3 of the old potting mix by giving the plant a good shake. Choose a pot that's 1 inch larger than your current one. So if you're in a 5-inch pot now, size up to a 6-inch pot. If your planter doesn't have a drainage hole, cover the bottom of the planter with a layer of lava rocks to prevent root rot. Pour a base layer and pack it down. Make sure to leave space for the plant. Stick the plant in the center of the planter and pack in fresh mix around the plant. To avoid air pockets, really pack it down. Leave about 1 inch between the soil and the top of the pot. Now water it and you're done.